California produces almost all of the nation's figs. 98% are fresh figs, and 100% of U.S. dried figs are grown in the Golden State. Here's how it happens. Fig trees actually bloom twice, once in the spring, which produces fruit for the first harvest, which usually happens in May or early June, and then again in the summer months, which produce figs until the first frost, which usually happens in late November or December. Here's a fun fact. Figs are actually inverted flowers. Here's another important fact. California figs are self-pollinated. That means our growers have selected varieties where the trees pollinate themselves. No insects or birds needed. Once the figs are ripe, a skilled crew goes through the orchard finding and selecting fresh figs. They harvest the fruit into crates or tubs, which get loaded onto trucks and moved immediately into cold storage. A separate crew sorts the figs for quality and size, and then packs them into boxes or clamshells to head out immediately to grocers and restaurants near you. Some figs will head from the packing shed to the dryers, so California's high-quality figs can be enjoyed around the world all year long. Once the figs make it to the grocer or restaurant, the easy part is up to you. Enjoy them. For recipe ideas and more fig facts, check out the California Grown website.